Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is: on Amazon you will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. For 26 inches and 700c wheels, the ultimate portable tune-up stand. Great for keeping in the car or for travel. You could even take it on a bike tour. It also comes with its own storage bag, clamp head, bottom bracket support, arm holds down tube, folding. Yes. Material: aluminum, plastic. Max tire width 5.7 centimeters, 2.25. Max weight capacity 14 kilograms, 30.8 pounds. Show more. The number 3 on the list is: choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Clamp features spinner knob for precision closure and uniform clamping pressure. 360-degree rotating clamp design provides easy access to any part of your bicycle. Frame clamp positions from 42 inches -65, 107 to 166 centimeters in height. Rubber-coated clamp secures and protects expensive components and beautifully painted frames. Clamp opening up to 1.9, 4.8 centimeters. Accommodates even the largest diameter frame tubes. Anodized 6061 T6 aluminum and powder-coated steel construction is lightweight, corrosion-resistant and incredibly durable. Stiff tripod base and rubber-coated end caps create ultimate stability even on uneven surfaces. Show more. The number 2 on the list is: the PCS 9.3 is a basic folding workstand designed and built for the home mechanic. The stand's all-steel construction with teardrop-shaped tubing ensures maximum rigidity and stability, with a locking support yoke and upgraded internals for extra dependability. The number 1 on the list is: this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Amazingly stable. The Sportneer bike repair stand uses a triangular structure for support. The rubber foot pad increases stability and protects the bracket from wear and tear, meaning you can rely on this repair stand for do-it-yourself bike repair for years on end. Strong compressive resistance. The diameter of the circular tube at the bottom of the bike repair stand measures 1.43 inches, with a wall thickness of 0.1 inch. 2 additional braces can be raised against the main shaft to increase stability and retracted for easy storage or transport. Premium and portable. Why sacrifice quality for portability? With the Sportneer bike repair stand, you get the best of both worlds. The premium aluminum body is lightweight, ultra-stable, and can withstand an incredible 60 pounds. And it can easily be folded flat when not in use for quick, convenient storage. Adjustable and scratch-resistant. With this bike repair stand, you can adjust your bike to the perfect position every time. The main body is extendable to a height of up to 5.3 feet, and the gripper is 360 degrees rotatable. Perfect for sitting or standing repair work. The foam support jaws will grip your bike tightly without ruining your bike's paint or damaging the frame. Tool storage for easy organization. The Sportneer bike repair stand includes a magnetic tool tray to keep screws and bolts stored, organized easily. The retractable rod, which can also be adjusted, is responsible for stabilizing any wobbly front wheels you may have.